Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this office space in the Bayan building located in Dubai Investment Park. At 3,319 square foot, this unit is offered as shell and core fit out and situated on a low floor. The space is bright and spacious, which can quickly be fitted out to your business requirements. With drainage, further pantries and washrooms can also be added to the space. Public transport is available to and from the metro station, and with a good range of local amenities, this is a perfect area to position your business. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.